What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra, a smartphone that will come out, or maybe not. There is shocking news that will really shock you. Regarding the future stylish flagship Samsung Galaxy Note 22, the news is still the most controversial. On one side of the scale is the traditional presentation of the new Note line smartphone, which did not take place in August. There are periodic reports from insiders that Koreans are still preparing to present it, but only in 2022. Samsung is expected to release a more advanced Galaxy Note 22 Ultra in addition to the base variant. Both modifications will, of course, receive support for 5G networks, powerful processors Exynos 2200 and Snapdragon 898 or even 898 Plus, advanced cameras with zoom and wide-angle mode, as well as, of course, the built-in S Pen stylus, which is the key feature of the line. But there is something mind-blowing that will blow your mind, because this is what a reliable insider says. Samsung Galaxy Note 22 line may not come out. Instead, Galaxy S22 line. Rumors that Samsung's going to bury the Galaxy Note line of the flagship smartphones have been circulating for a long time and are periodically confirmed and refuted. This time, a trusted insider came up with a confirmation. The Note line is over, according to an informant known as Ice Universe on Twitter. But not really. Galaxy S will be the new Note. In fact, the internal competition between Galaxy S and Galaxy Note is called the main cause of the death for Note. Smartphones of these two series over time have become so close technically that the only thing that distinguishes them is the design and the presence of the S Pen stylus in the Note. But now, apparently, the Note will finally officially retire and the Galaxy S will receive a stylus, although obviously not in all versions. We will start, perhaps, with the skeptical arguments in favor of the fact that the Galaxy Note 22 will never be released. As you know, in 2021 Samsung followed in Apple's footsteps and released the S Pen as a separate accessory. Moreover, the company announced its advanced version of the S Pen Pro, which could compete with the Apple Pencil. Ice Universe previously accurately predicted the announcement of various Samsung image sensors, as well as the announcement of the Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha with the wraparound screen. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.